If you're charging your iPhone like this, stop! You're damaging your battery and wasting time. But don't worry, I've got expert-backed tips to charge your iPhone faster, safer and smarter. And at the end, I'll show you the ultimate solution to wireless charging on the go, the game-changing NEWDERY portable battery case. First up, let's talk about the most common mistake, using cheap or third-party chargers that aren't MFI certified by Apple. These might be cheaper, but they can cause overheating, slower charging, or even permanent battery damage. See the difference? This charger is MFI certified, meaning Apple approves it for your iPhone, but this one, no guarantees, meaning you could be ruining your battery every time you charge. Okay, so you've got the right charger, but did you know you're probably not charging your iPhone at its fastest speed? Look for the Made for iPhone logo. If you're still using this slow 5-watt charger, it's time for an upgrade. The latest iPhones support fast charging and you could be cutting your charge time in half. Use a 20-watt USB-C power adapter and a USB-C to Lightning cable to charge from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's 3 times faster than the old chargers. Recommended. Apple's 20-watt charger plus USB-C to Lightning cable. Now, here's the #1 tip to keep your iPhone battery healthy for years. It's called the 80-20 rule. Studies show that constantly charging your iPhone to 100% and letting it drain to 0% wears out the battery way faster. Instead, keep it between 20% and 80% whenever possible. Want to make it even easier? Just go to Settings, Battery Health and Charging, and turn on Optimized Battery Charging. Your iPhone will automatically stop charging at 80% overnight and finish right before you wake up. But what if you need reliable charging on the go without carrying bulky power banks or hunting for outlets? That's where the NEWDERY portable battery case for iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Plus comes in. This 10,000 mAh battery case wirelessly charges your iPhone with MagSafe-like convenience while protecting it from drops and scratches. With Qi wireless charging, you can juice up your iPhone anytime, anywhere, without messy cables. And get this, it supports pass-through charging, meaning you can charge the case and your iPhone at the same time. Forget chargers that can destroy your phone. If you want seamless, on-the-go charging, check out the NEWDERY portable battery case, linked in the description below. So to recap, use MFI certified chargers, upgrade to a fast 20-watt charger, follow the 80-20 battery rule, and grab the NEWDERY portable battery case for the best wireless charging experience. If you found this helpful, show us some love so more iPhone users can see this. Follow us for weekly iPhone accessory hacks, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.